Are you looking for ways to drive more organic traffic to your Instagram page in 2019? My name is Dylan Thomas, and here's one method that I use to get more people viewing my content. On Instagram, the first 60 minutes after you make a post are by far the most crucial. If in that first 60 minutes your new post is getting a ton of likes and interaction from people, it will tell Instagram that your content is well liked by viewers. The Instagram overlords will put your content in front of more people who are also likely to engage with it. You see, Instagram loves when you engage with other people and pages. The more engagement on Instagram, the more popular the platform becomes. So in a way, Instagram will actually reward you for engaging with your other followers and other people on their platform. After you make a new post or video, immediately share that on your story. You can add Giphies and other features to add some flair to your Instagram stories and really catch people's attention. Use the tools that Instagram gives you guys. Add hashtags, add your location so you can stand out organically in searches. By using your fingers to minimize these features, you can actually get them to disappear. When using this method, the features are still active for searching capabilities, but don't take up space or look ugly on your beautiful new post. By understanding how Instagram works, you can actually use their algorithm to your advantage. Try this simple strategy today to start bringing more organic traffic to your Instagram page in 2019. Now, if you guys like what you saw and you want to learn more social media marketing tips for 2019, do me a favor and hit the like button below. Also, you can click the link in the description to subscribe to my channel.